Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the online business app, the ultimate platform for affiliate marketers. And let me tell you, this platform was not built overnight. Our dedicated and caring CEOs Dr. Vincent Ortega Jr. and Nick Andersen, along with our COO, the beautiful and intelligent Asia Love, have worked tirelessly for years to put this app together. They're like the dream team of affiliate marketing. Their hard work and dedication have not gone unnoticed. The online business app is changing lives and giving people a sense of certainty in an uncertain world. Financial freedom is no longer just a dream, it's a very viable reality that can be reached with only 60 minutes of income-producing activity per day. That's right, you can achieve financial freedom in just 1 hour a day. And let's be real, who doesn't have an extra hour to spare? But the online business app isn't just about making money. It's about creating a supportive community of like-minded individuals who want to help each other succeed. Our CEOs and COO are committed to providing valuable resources and tools to help you achieve your goals. They truly care about your success and are always available to answer any questions you may have. And let's not forget about our fun and exciting cash giveaways to active customers. Who doesn't love free money? It's like winning the lottery, except you don't have to buy a ticket or wait for the numbers to be drawn. It's just another way we're giving back to our community and helping our members achieve financial freedom. So, today, we're excited to introduce you to the online business app, the ultimate platform for affiliate marketers. And let's be honest, who doesn't want to make some extra cash on the side? I know I do. As an affiliate marketer with the online business app, you'll earn a generous 25% commission on every purchase made by your referral. That's right. You don't have to do any of the hard work, just sit back and watch the money roll in. And the best part? You'll continue to earn commissions on purchases made by those customers for life. That's what I call passive income. Cha-ching. But wait, there's more. With over 1,000 ways to make passive income, the online business app offers a wide range of tools and resources to help you succeed in affiliate marketing. From our marketplace and website builder to our funnel builder and earn while you learn program, we've got everything you need to become a successful affiliate marketer. And let's be real, who doesn't want to be their own boss and work from home in their pajamas? And if you're worried about creating content that resonates with your audience, fear not. Our fully integrated Chat GPT uses artificial intelligence to create the perfect scripts, emails, videos, and more. And the best part? Using Chat GPT can increase your commissions by hundreds of %. That's right, you'll be making more money than you ever thought possible. But the online business app isn't just about making money. It's also about forming valuable friendships and family-like bonds within our supportive community of like-minded individuals. We're like a big, happy family, except we don't argue over who gets the last slice of pizza. Because let's be real, there's always enough pizza to go around. So if you're ready to join our family and start earning some serious cash as an affiliate marketer, join the online business app today. Check out the link in the video description below to learn more and start your journey towards financial freedom and become a part of our family with the online business app. Trust me, you won't regret it. Before we wrap up, we want to make sure we're transparent with you. While the online business app offers a wide range of tools and resources to help you succeed in affiliate marketing, we can't promise you that you'll make substantial passive income. Your success depends on your own work efforts and the time you put into your affiliate marketing business with the online business app. We're committed to providing valuable resources and support to help you achieve your goals, but ultimately, it's up to you to put in the work and make it happen. We believe in our platform and our community, and we're confident that with the right mindset and work ethic, you can achieve financial freedom with the online business app. So if you're ready to take the first step towards financial freedom, join the online business app today. Check out the link in the video description below to learn more and start your journey towards affiliate marketing success. Remember, your success is in your hands.